No smashing it.
Smash it.
Just don't smash the bottle. Yeah, before we get going. All right, let's go. Hi, I'm Dan from The Prince. Today we're cooking Harissa chicken and we're paired with this GSM from the Barossa Valley in South Australia. So our first step is to prepare the vegetables, and we're going to cook the vegetables en papillote, which is a fancy French name, in a bag. All the flavours will steam together and give us a little consommé at the end. This dish is also super versatile, but just choose lots of colours, a nice array of veg and lots of herbs as well. That's our vegetables ready to go. Put this in the oven and then we'll prep the chicken. If you're running out of time, a little hack or a little tip is just pick up a roast chicken on your way home. So once the chicken is broken down, we have our harissa, full of spices, red peppers, roasted onions, roasted garlic. Just brushing it on, making sure we're generously coating the chicken. We're gonna pop this in the oven, 180 degrees for 4 minutes. Now for the fun part. If you could smell that, it's so good. Harissa marinated chicken with vegetables cooked en papillote pairs perfectly with this GSM from the Barossa. You know, the spicy red fruit notes match perfectly with the harissa and the anise of the fennel. It's perfect for any night of the week.